Hey, 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 this is your sacred scribe here for Nature Speaks 333, and I am here with Eliza, beautiful tree, and I'm going to get a message for the collective. Let's see what Eliza has to say. Give me one moment. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm trying to tune in, but the crows, man, do you hear that? That was not here before I started this video. Okay, let me ask about the crows. Eliza? Okay. What's up with the crows? The crows speak the language of the faithful. They warn of oncoming times. Wow, that will hasten quickly upon you. Your standard of living will cease to be. Everything will transform into something you knew not of. The leverage that will be held over all. Will instill fear into many. This fear will rise. This is the test of humanity. Rising above this fear, overcoming it, and standing in your true power, the trueness of you. Wow. Lessened states of being will take over the masses. This is a shake-up no one is ready for. Land will fill with promises, unkept. Did you stationed agriculture? Stationed agriculture will become the norm. So pace yourself. Wow. Wait a minute, I don't really like this energy. Give me a moment. Okay, what can we do? Lead the way. Have the courage to lead the way. Not to follow, but to band together as one with those who view the world as something of a takeover. The ones who hold this view must band together. For if they do not, all will be lost. You must walk together. You must be together. You must rise together. Leave the ways of being which you have come to know behind, for it is no longer. You must create something new, something better, something stronger. This strength will be your forte, as you say. Place yourselves within spaces where this stationed agriculture can propagate. Be aware of this. Create various spaces like these across your planet. For they will connect. This energy must be spread throughout the planet. For a leveling of the energetic field. Those who stand up, those who choose to rise above this fear, will all be protected. You must know this. You must believe it with all that you are. That there is no other way of being than the new which you are creating together. Let no man overtake you. Let no man take from you what is rightfully yours. When you do this, when you are this, those who are similar will be drawn in your direction. You will meet, you will be, and you will create together as one. You are all leaders. You all have a unique offering. You must offer this to each other and spread these offerings far and wide across your planet. Do not dictate, share. Is that it? Okay. Wow. Thank you, Eliza. Oh my gosh. All right. I was not expecting the crows because I actually was going to ask them a specific question, but the crows kind of took over and they are no longer right now. So I guess we have the message across. So I hope that resonated with some of you. If it did, please drop a comment below. Let me know if it did. Thank you so much, Eliza. I appreciate you. Please drop a like below, share, subscribe, comment, and visit my other channel, Your Sacred Scribe Tarot, for daily tarot card readings for the signs. And you guys all have a wonderful day. And as always, remember, stay within your heart space and connected to love. Namaste.